So you may want to change the revise screen. Go into Management Tools, Shop Setup, and then Revise Screen. This is the current screen that you have. And let's say I'm not doing SMOGs or I'm not charging transmittal fee, but let's say I want to add something else into there. So I click on the box. I've got this menu. I want to change the image. So select a new image first. We select the image from our drop down. So let's say I want to put in battery R&R. So I select battery place. I hit select because I'm selecting that. Then I've got my list over here. So select job. Battery is in here. Battery. And then let's say I want to default that to interstate. If I scroll down, I have interstate in here. I click on add more. There's my battery interstate. This was what was in there initially. I click delete that out. So now I just have that in there. In here, battery, remove, and replace, or whatever words that you want to use there. So we're going to charge $25 in labor, and the average price will be, say, $159.99. And don't forget, this changes depending on what part it pulls for the vehicle specifically. It's always good to select a product line. That way you can get a breakdown on everything that is in there. I'm going to put battery in under engine and drivetrain. And if there's any additional cost, like if I want to add in every time I click on this an additional cost, I can put in something here, battery lead tax fee $5, and it will add that in. So now I just hit default save and exit, and when I go back to my revise screen, if I'm in revise, there is my replace battery now. And if I click on battery, there's all my batteries in here, and here's my interstate battery, $189.95. If I select that, it will go up in there. It will actually place it in there. So I could add that in, deselect the previous one, so that's my price now, and then file and adjust I would take prices only on this one because I want that price, not the default price. So remember, prices only. We're going to take this price and this price. If file and adjust, I'm going to take that price and that price. That's it.